Welcome aboard to the Megatech channel, your dedicated hub for delving into the world of heavy machinery, modern innovations, and cutting-edge technologies. We're thrilled to have you with us. The RWE 100 cutter wheel stands as a formidable cutting tool tailored for diverse excavation and trenching needs. Engineered for peak performance, endurance, and adaptability in construction and underground utility projects, it's a cornerstone of efficiency in the field. Specifically crafted for attachment to excavation machinery like excavators or backhoes, its sturdy build guarantees dependable operation, even in the toughest environments. Crafted with premium materials and advanced engineering, its design ensures resilience against the demanding challenges of excavation assignments. The crawler carrier stands out as a versatile and sturdy machine crafted to tackle a broad spectrum of heavy-duty tasks in rugged terrains. Boasting a rugged crawler undercarriage, it effortlessly maneuvers through challenging landscapes. Its durable tracks deliver exceptional traction and stability, enabling operations on muddy, rocky, or uneven surfaces. This versatility renders it indispensable across industries like construction, mining, forestry, and oil and gas, where accessing remote or challenging locations is commonplace. Leaper's T282 diesel-electric mining trucks are widely celebrated for their remarkable payload capacity and outstanding performance in the mining sector. These trucks have solidified their position as industry leaders with the ability to transport up to 400 short tons of material. With a top speed of 64 km/h, the T282 trucks are engineered to navigate mining sites efficiently, ensuring prompt transportation of materials. Powered by a robust diesel-electric drive system, they deliver the required torque and horsepower to manage heavy loads and conquer challenging terrains, thereby optimizing productivity in mining operations. The add-drive and adronic technologies have brought significant transformation to the heavy transportation industry, introducing advanced features and capabilities that redefine the transportation of oversized and heavy loads. These innovations empower operators to navigate challenging routes effortlessly, execute intricate maneuvers, and ensure optimal load distribution throughout the transportation process. Through their precise control, maneuverability, and load optimization capabilities, the add-drive and add-dronic systems elevate safety, efficiency, and productivity in heavy transport operations. The DSEC track layer stands out as a revolutionary heavyweight in the construction and infrastructure development sector, reshaping industry norms. By melding cutting-edge technology, immense power, and unmatched adaptability, this track layer has emerged as an essential asset for construction ventures across the globe. One standout feature of the DSEC track layer is its capacity to swiftly and precisely lay tracks, facilitating the creation of railway lines with unparalleled efficiency. Boasting advanced track-laying mechanisms and precision control systems, this machine excels in installing tracks with remarkable speed and accuracy. The Bagger 293, famously dubbed the Monster of Lignite, reigns as one of the globe's largest and most awe-inspiring bucket wheel excavators. Crafted by the German company Tagraf, this behemoth towers above at over 96 meters tall and boasts a staggering weight exceeding 14,000 tons. Its colossal power is driven by an electric motor, channeling up to 18,000 horsepower to propel the immense bucket wheel. The CAT 6090 is a hydraulic excavator specifically engineered for mining and quarry operations. This robust machine is equipped with advanced features that enable it to excavate large volumes of rock and earth swiftly and efficiently. Its hydraulic system ensures precise and controlled movement of the boom and arm, allowing operators to easily navigate and accurately position the excavator for digging. The AC Drive PNH4100 class mining shovels have emerged as pivotal assets in the global mining sector, elevating productivity, efficiency, and dependability. These shovels, harness the prowess of an alternating current AC drive system, presenting myriad advantages over conventional direct current DC systems. AC drive technology boasts superior power density, enhanced control, and heightened efficiency. By optimizing energy utilization, this cutting-edge power system facilitates swifter cycle times, augmented digging capacity, and superior overall performance. The Chieftain 2200 stands as a robust and adaptable screening apparatus, meticulously engineered for the efficient separation of cohesive or adhesive soils. Tailored to address formidable soil challenges, it excels in achieving proficient soil screening and segregation. Boasting advanced screening technology, it adeptly eliminates surplus moisture and separates cohesive particles within Bindigerboden and similar soils. Its expansive screening deck boasts high capacity, adeptly managing substantial material volumes to ensure peak productivity. The latest iteration of CAT D11 dozers marks a significant advancement in bulldozer technology, establishing unprecedented benchmarks in power, efficiency, and operator comfort. Evolving from the esteemed CAT D11 series, these dozers integrate state-of-the-art features and innovations, ensuring unparalleled performance in rigorous earth-moving and mining operations. Engineered to comply with rigorous emissions standards, the engines prioritize fuel efficiency, thereby lowering operating expenses and lessening environmental footprints. Crafted with top-tier materials and components, these machines are fortified to endure the harshest operating environments with ease. Amphibious excavators are unique machines tailored for clearing water bodies. They feature tracks or pontoons, allowing them to navigate through water efficiently. These excavators are perfect for dredging ponds, lakes, and rivers, thanks to their extended hydraulic arms and digging buckets, which can remove sediment, debris, and other materials from the waterbed. Once collected, the material is conveyed to the shore or another designated area using the excavator's built-in conveyor system. The HH160 stands as a resilient and mighty 160-ton hinge hitch loader, celebrated for its outstanding loading prowess in demanding industrial scenarios. When tasked with loading a drill, the HH160 truly excels, leveraging a host of features to streamline and enhance loading operations. With its substantial lifting capacity and remarkable reach, it effortlessly manages large drills, reducing reliance on extra machinery or manual intervention. Equipped with advanced stability systems, the loader guarantees secure and stable operations, even under the weight of hefty loads. The Komatsu D375A8 bulldozer stands as a formidable and durable machine tailored for rigorous earth-moving and construction endeavors. Engineered to excel in the toughest tasks within the construction and mining sectors, it has earned favor among operators globally. In prioritizing operator comfort and productivity, this dozer features an ergonomic cab. Engineered to minimize noise and vibration, the cab fosters a serene and comfortable working atmosphere, enhancing overall efficiency.